Hi, this is Bree Kirsch, the University Librarian, and in this video I wanted to go over our library catalog, which is the icon right here. You can use the library catalog to look for our print collection in the library, which includes our physical print books and DVDs and Blu-ray films. So let's say I'm interested in seeing where the nursing books are located. I get 570 results, and if I scroll down, this is our first book here, and I'll click on it. You can see the citation information, and then down here I can see where it's located on the regular shelves and the call number, which is RT 84.5 W367 1988. So this is what I would need to write down or take a picture of to go and find this book in the stacks. And I'm back at my search results. I can also limit it if I want to on the left-hand side, and I can limit to currently available items to make sure they're not currently checked out. And I can also scroll down and click on new books if I just want to look at the most recent books that are in nursing. And I can also limit it to a topic. So if I click more, let's say I'm interested in nursing and aging. And that brings up 4 results. And I can just click on one of them, similar to the other one, citation information and the contents to see if it's helpful for my research. And then I can go and browse the shelf to get to the call number BV 4580 A446 1995 to go and check out this book at the front desk. Let's say I am interested in DVDs. So let's look up Black Panther. And it brings up books as well as DVDs, and this first one is the Black Panther DVD. I can also go under collections to limit it to DVD or item types movie, and that brings up the DVD we have. The DVDs and Blu-rays are kept in the lobby of the library, and it's in alphabetical order by the movie's title, so it would be under B under the DVD section. Then you can check it out at the front desk.